right, y'all, I'm going to break down the simplest and most powerful strategy that you can learn as a trader right now. Y'all, this exact strategy is what I was able to use to leave the classroom of over 15 years. And I'm going to teach you what it is, how to find it, and show you in real time on real charts trades that we actually took using this strategy. So let's get going. First things first, what we're talking about, y'all, is the ORB. And ORB simply stands for opening range breakout. Okay, so what a range is simply where price is unable to make a new high or a new low. So price is actually bouncing in between that high and the low. Now, what we're talking about in this ORB is the breakout of that range. And we're going to go into detail in finding it now. So now you know what the ORB is. Where is it, and how do I even add this to my chart and use it? Well, you're in luck. The ORB is the high and the low of the first 15 minutes, okay? And different traders use different ORBs, but I like to use that 15-minute range. As you can see right here on my chart, there is a green line going across right here, and there is a red line going across right here, okay? Now, with the ORB indicator, the one that I'm going to show you to add to your chart, I'm going to make this very simple for you to be able to use it. All it's doing, the indicator, is for the first 15 minutes, it's plotting, right? It's going to find that high and it's going to make your high line or that green line going across. And also for the low in the first 15 minutes, it's going to go ahead and plot that line across for you also. Now, when we have the high and the low of the first 15 minutes, you need to remember something very, very important. This ORB high or this ORB low can and will act as a strong level of resistance. Remember your ceiling. If you have not watched my videos on support resistance, you need to make sure you tap in. The ORB high can be a level of resistance or support, and the ORB low can do the same thing, be a level of resistance or support. Let's make sure your settings are correct. Add the ORB to our chart. So on your tradingview.com here, you need to go to the indicators tab and you need to type in ORB. The one that I like to use is by ZZZ Crypto 123. Once you find this, you simply click on it to add it to your chart. Don't skip this step. So important right here. Find the indicator on your drop down settings area here. Make sure you switch your inputs. You want your total minutes, right? Your ORB total minutes to be 15. This is important here. The session time. Make sure you have the 9:30 to 9:45 session time in there for you to get the correct ORB. Once we have the ORB indicator on here, we are now looking to see if we're able to get a trade. A lot of traders mess up at this point, right? They're like, oh, boom, I have my ORB. I'm going to look for, take a trade, make a money, and, buy a yacht. Y'all, don't miss this next step here. Before we get into the details, y'all, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead, subscribe, y'all. I'm going to break down things like this. I've done so many videos like this and I'm going to keep doing it. So go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos coming out. Now we've added the indicator to our chart. We have also made sure our settings are there. And now we want to actually understand how to execute a trade. So what we can see here, as price is moving through, right? Price is growing, market is open, and we're getting some movement here. We're getting the ORB does not form until 9:45. So between 9:30 and 9:45, price action is moving, creating highs, creating lows. And once we have that 9:45 candle printed, we're able to now understand our high ORB and our low ORB. Now, after we have that high and low ORB, we are now looking for our entry. And this is where a lot of traders mess up, and you won't, because you have watched this video and you've taken notes and you're going to apply. Hey, if you're going to apply what I have taught you when it comes to the ORB, let me know that you've watched it and if you've gone this far in the video, and comment apply. Right? Apply, that you're going to apply what I'm showing you and you're going to tap in. All right, y'all, once we have seen a break of the ORB, that is not our entry. I repeat, that is not our entry. I know patience is a virtue and it will help you more than it will hurt you as a trader. So what we are doing, this is the critical piece. You are looking for that retest of the ORB. Now, this is why we used to have the ORB high used to be a level of resistance, that ceiling. The ORB high has been acting as a level of resistance up to this point. And once we get a break out of this level, we are now looking for that confirmation that that once level of resistance has turned to a level of support. So once we have broken resistance, we are looking for this critical piece here, which is the retest. Validate that this level is now a level of support and no longer resistance. We are looking now, which we took this trade to take this to the upside here as a beautiful play to the upside or a call position, because of the fact that we waited for the break and retest of that ORB, confirming that resistance has now switched to support. Took a beautiful play to the upside. This is a textbook break retest long of the ORB, and it is like chef's kiss how beautiful this trade was. Okay, so that is a wonderful example of showing you how this setup can be helpful to you, and all you had to do, y'all, is wait for that 15-minute ORB to form, right? For it to form, for it to show you, let the trade tell you what it wants to do. I always tell my friends in the academy that I trade with live every day that let the charts tell you a story. I don't do call outs. This is why a lot of my friends in the academy are able to be so successful, because we teach you how to fish, or we teach them how to fish, and they are able to see what's going on in the trade, like sometimes even like before me. So it's wonderful to have not only myself and my husband be able to understand what's going on, but my friends in the academy are able to do that too. So y'all, let's go on to another beautiful example of showing you how the ORB can be helpful to you going forward. Here's another beautiful example of waiting for the trade to come to us, waiting for the trade to actually play out. And we're here on IWM. Now, IWM had a wonderful, the ORB. Once again, we waited for the first 15 minutes for the 9:45 to print and create that high and low ORB. Once we got a push or a break of the ORB, once again, we do not just take the breakout, because a lot of traders, once they take the breakout, they are like, woo woo, yeah, we're out. Yes, finally out the ORB, right? And they are in the trade, and guess what? They get caught up in this pullback. They're like, oh no, it's going against me. But because we are not breakout traders, we're understanding that price needs to retest the previous level of resistance to confirm that it is now a support. So we are aware that price may pull back, and we're okay with that, right? Because we are aware of what price may do when it comes to these levels. Like, no one knows for certain what price is going to do, right? We're just using information to make this informed prediction of what price may do. So having us have this confluence of, hey, it did break and it did retest this level, can definitely give us the confluence that we need to take this trade to the upside, which we did. We took this to the upside here. Beautiful. Once again, break, retest long of the ORB using only the 15-minute ORB. Right? That is all you need. You remember, this is why I told you it's a very powerful strategy, and the only strategy you're going to need. Now, going to the next example. With this example, my friends, I want to show you something when it comes to the ORB. Now, the ORB can and will act as a level of resistance or support, right? Depending on where price action is relative to that level. Right? Remember, if price is above the ORB, high or low, it can be a level of support. Same thing, if price is below ORB, high or low, it can act as a level of resistance. So keep that in mind. So I want you to see here that this, yes, the break and retest long did not happen, or break and retest short did not happen on here. But I want to show you something also that's super cool. Now, the ORB, it prints at that 9:45 candle, right? It's going to create, especially using this indicator, it's going to print those lines for us. It's going to have the high and the low. So I want you to also remember, if you're taking notes, that the high and the low ORB can and will be a critical level for the whole trading day from 9:30 to 4 p.m. Eastern. It's not just for the first 15 minutes that the ORB comes into play. So look at this. This is the 2:45 later on in the afternoon. I want you to see that when price finally dipped down here, right? Look where it stopped at. Look where it found support. The ORB low. So this is something that my more advanced family members in the academy are aware of when it comes to, if something is ranging or it goes back inside of the ORB range. All right, I understand that it can be a level of support and resistance. Where can I take a trade inside of this range and understand where I should take profit using the ORB high and low as a potential profit target? So this is what we do. If you're going to use the ORB at an advanced level inside of that range, look for your entry, use the ORB high or low as your profit target. Now, if you did not take this play to the downside, you could now see that price found support and say, okay, since price has found support, it may bounce up. Buyers might be pushing up here, right? And here it did do that. So when it comes to our advanced ORB setup, we would take this entry to the upside, then take 50% of the ORB range as our first profit target, right? We understand that there is a level where it needs to go. So we split that in half to get 50% of our profit in this ORB range. Then our profit target 2 would be the top, which is ORB high. So that would give us 100% of the ORB range. So this is a beautiful example of an advanced ORB range trade that was taken because of the fact that we understand that ORB high and low are critical levels, identifying those, right? Taking the trade and taking profit as we go. And as you can see, here's another way that you could use the ORB high as a possible entry to the downside because price has already bounced off of it before, and using the ORB low as our profit target. Remember, taking 50% of the ORB range and 100% at the bottom here. Beautiful setup of a more advanced strategy using the ORB. If you're enjoying yourself and have learned something new, make sure you go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. If you feel like the ORB is something you're going to add to your trading, go ahead and comment ORB. And if you ever want to trade with us live, there's a link in my description. Go ahead and click on that to tap in. Now, the ORB is a beautiful strategy, orb, whatever you want to call it. Y'all, it's a great strategy to help you throughout your trading, to help you give you some critical levels, to give you a gauge and a possible entry. But there are times where the price action does not want to give us a trade. So there is also a time when not to trade. Did y'all know that? There is a time when not to trade. And these are examples of when that is. So as you can see, we have a chart here. The ORB was plotted here and it gave us our high and our low. Wonderful. But we have to wait. Remember those two things that need to happen. We need to get a break and then a retest for a possible entry. And if we do not get those, we do what? We do not take a trade. Now, you remember what I was telling you about beginner traders, right? When they would get caught up. Look at how this trade went. Played around for a little bit, finally broke out. This is where beginner traders get messed up because you are looking to get out of this ORB so quick you want to take a trade and you get caught up just in the breakout. So why I call this a breakout fake out? It ain't happened. You took a play to the upside, you took a call and you got hurt. You got your feelings hurt here, okay? Because it never gave us a full-on continuation, never gave us a play to the upside, and you are over here mad as all get out. As you can see, we did not get that retest entry long into this trade. We got a push for a little bit and then we went right back. Yet again, another example of price action being unable to break out of the ORB high or low. It created this range inside here of the ORB. On the same ticker, y'all, same ticker, same week, another range inside the ORB. Okay, so as you can see, my friends, there are times where price action is unable to break out of the ORB. Your question might be, Tanisha, what do I do then? The answer to that is you do not trade that ticker. You go and you trade another stock that is giving you that setup. You only need one good trade a day, my friends. Do not force a trade if it is not there. Do not imagine things. Do not squint your eyes or zoom in on your charts. All that's going to do is hurt your confidence and your capital. So y'all, make sure you're aware of what price is doing. And if it's telling you the story that it's not a day to trade, believe it. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this video on the ORB strategy or ORB, and you were able to see how powerful it is and how helpful it could be to you as a beginner trader or as a trader in general. So if you enjoyed it, I hope you go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure you put on the notification bell so you don't miss anything else. I'm hosting a free masterclass. Yes, y'all, free. I'm gonna break down in detail everything that I did to leave the classroom of over 15 years. I know that you're on here learning and you want to get to the details, you want to get to the important stuff. So comment masterclass down below in the comment section so that you can secure your seat to the free masterclass where we break everything down. Super duper simple. And if you're interested to see our screen live, trade with us, my husband and I live every day, comment the word trade or click the link in my description and we got you. For staying this long and applying this information, I want to give you a special gift. Go ahead and use the promo code YT40 if you're signing for the academy to get 40% off your first month membership as a special thank you for hanging out with me. All right, y'all. Hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month, and a blessed rest of the year. I'll see you on the next one.